Hello everybody and welcome to Parks Bros. It's Drew here, and today we're at SeaWorld San Diego for their media event for their brand new roller coaster, Arctic Rescue. Oh my gosh, as you can tell, I'm ready to chill out on the West Coast's longest and fastest straddle coaster. Let's do this thing. I'm not the only one at Media Day, of course, dressed for the cold weather. We've also got some resident skiers.
What are we doing to quitting while riding Arctic Rescue?
I don't know how to feel about this one. Mario, mostly coasters. If you haven't subscribed to him, make sure to do so. You excited for this thing?
I'm so excited. It seems so fun. It is fun. I wrote it.
Yeah, we wrote it. We wrote it a little bit ago.
It's so
but
fun.
More rides today.
Yup.
First of all, before we get on, I want to say a huge thank you to SeaWorld San Diego for inviting us out. I can't wait to check out Arctic Rescue again and ride it over and over and over. I'm hoping to at least get 5 rides on this thing. It's been so great so far. Can't wait to see what it's like on a different day and maybe a different seat too.
That's a perfect family coaster.
Yo, we're back.
Death metal soundtrack.
That'd be amazing. I'll put it over right now.
Switch. Wait.
Subscribe. We'll see you on the next ride.
Switch.
We
got our own ride now. And let's go suck it! Yo, I just want to let you know. You know that mantas have their own ride, right? Yeah, but like, mantas are cool though. That is true. That is true.
After getting a handful of rides on Arctic Rescue, absolutely amazing, every single one of them, I ended up loving the ride more and more each time I rode it, and I really gotta say that front row is where you want to sit for like the most intense and thrilling ride. One of the best parts about this ride is it exits directly into the Wild Arctic exhibit. So we're gonna head through there now. It's gonna be absolutely amazing, and we'll get more of a chance to chill out and keep chilling out as the temperature keeps dropping. And you could also get a cool look at the ride vehicle Dylan and I just rode on Arctic Rescue. What did you think of the ride?
It was pretty fun. You know, it's a cool family coaster. It's something that I think the park is definitely going to benefit off of, and it's really smooth and pretty forceful in the front seat, which I was kind of surprised at.
Yeah, me too. I really enjoyed that front row more than anything else. It really made you feel like you were actually riding one of those snowmobiles out in the Arctic.
I mean, the good thing, though, is on the attraction, we didn't smash it up like this one is, because...
Yeah, that's true. It's seen some better days, but you know what? That's just what happens when you're saving all of those precious animals up in the Arctic, you know? Sometimes you hit a couple bumps.
I mean, this guy clearly ran into the wall.
And I gotta say, it is so cool, literally, to finally be able to see the outside of Bay Station Wild Arctic on Arctic Rescue on a roller coaster form, on a snowmobile, I guess I should say. It's really cool to be able to do that, literally and figuratively. And I love the tie-in with the theming on the exterior. And actually, I don't know if you saw it, you probably did, that helicopter was inside here and they brought it outside, which I think is just another perfect detail on the theming. And of course, with Arctic Rescue, the roller coaster opening literally in less than 24 hours at the park for me right now, I gotta say it's a cool kind of present for saving the animals in the Arctic on the ride to experience this exhibit right after, because this is still by far, in my opinion, one of the best aquatic exhibits in the world. And of course, right after your cool experience, you can also technically exit Arctic Rescue right here and just go down this old pathway directly into the gift shop. But after checking out the exhibit, we can check out all the amazing Arctic Rescue merch. Got everything from tumblers to mugs to shot glasses to t-shirts. I really like the opening day shirt with all the icicles and everything. That's kind of cool. Hats, walruses. Let's check on the shirt and how much that costs actually. That's $34.99. And of course, if you're a pass holder, you do get a little bit of a discount depending on your pass. And along with Arctic Rescue merch specifically, there are a ton of SeaWorld Rescue merch, including this $40 baseball tee, hat, tumblers, mugs, cups, tons of shirts, even some shorts, and these Spirit jerseys that are $59.99, sweatshirts, stickers, books, action figures, everything that you could imagine SeaWorld Rescue related, you can find in this shop now, which I think is really cool. We just went through SeaWorld Rescue Junior, went through the play area because it was empty enough. Had a fun time. If you want to see more of that, make sure to check out Mario's and Dylan's video respectively. It was a time for sure. After our quick detour in SeaWorld Rescue Junior, we're getting back to the coasters. Let's check out Manta. Let's see if it still reigns supreme as the best roller coaster in the park, at least personally. After riding Manta a couple times, I gotta say, I think that's still my favorite in the park as of right now, although we're about to double check and ride Emperor for the first time in a while. Actually, first time since I've been on Arctic Rescue entirely, so I'm curious to see how it holds up in comparison to the new ride, and of course, Manta again, even though I know the comparison between those two rides quite well. So we'll see which ride actually reigns supreme at the end of this.
Oh no, it's straight to the ground. Ooh, scare me.
after 2 very successful rides on Emperor, one in the very front row and one in the very back row. We don't have quite enough time to ride Electric Eel, so we're gonna have to head out of the park. Did not hit every single coaster, which is kind of a bummer, but at the same time, my back is kind of done at the moment. I can't lie, but that's on my own accord, not the coasters themselves. They were all smooth and brilliant and fantastic. And man, oh man, this park has a great overall lineup at this point. And I would say they're all very comparable to each other in overall enjoyment factor, whether it be intensity or just fun. Alrighty, we're heading out of the park officially. Thank you, SeaWorld, for a fantastic day, media event, and all of your wonderful roller coasters. That just about wraps it up here from SeaWorld San Diego. It has been an absolutely phenomenal day getting to check out, of course, Arctic Rescue and getting tons and tons of different rides and experiences on that ride. And I gotta say, this brand new roller coaster, of course, the longest and fastest straddle coaster on the West Coast, it's a perfect addition for this park. I think it's one of the best family coasters I've ever been on. It's perfect for the whole family. It's a little bit intense, but it just leaves you smiling all the way through. And of course, things like Emperor give you all the thrill and intensity that you're probably looking for if you're a coaster enthusiast like myself. Regardless, this park is getting better and better with all of these new additions, and I can't wait to see where it's at in the future. And if you want to see where it's at in the future, make sure to subscribe. We're going to have many an update from this park in the future. But of course, until then, thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.